Hello, this JJ's.
Yes.
Uh, y'all still cooking, right?
Yes.
Okay, cause I'm a, I'm kind of like a big fella. I, I've been running up and down a lot of stairs and stuff trying to get my weight together and stuff. So I'm gonna need like y'all got y'all got like some pizza puffs.
Yeah. A big purple 5316.
Okay. Now do y'all selling like single? Cause like I said, like I'm a big fella there, so I'm gonna need like a couple of them, little sweetheart.
How many do you want?
See, it's not like see y'all, cause I'm trying to like watch like I'm trying to watch my weight, so I want to do like give me a minute.
Hello?
Yeah, hold on, sweetheart.